Hello guys, this is Fury back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to get NordVPN absolutely for free. This is the updated version of my previous video. Those who have watched my previous video, I am talking about this one. This is not working anymore because recently the developers have patched this out. But thanks to this man, I have got a new way to bypass their security and get it absolutely for free. So stick with the video. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any kind of questions, you can comment down below. So let's get started. At first, all you have to do is head to your browser. So I'm gonna use Microsoft Edge, and then press Ctrl Shift and Delete. So you have to clear the history, so I'm gonna clear it. After it is done, head to this website. The links will be in the description below. Copy one of these three codes. Tick here, and then press generate. After it is generated, go to the next website. Click on the get free trial, and it will ask for an email. So I prefer you don't use your real email. I will prefer you use your fake email or temporary email. So for the temporary email, I'm gonna go to this website. So it will give me a new email here. So I'm gonna copy it, paste it here, and on the name, type a random name, and on the card here, type the first 16 digits. So I'm gonna copy it, paste it. So on the expiration date, give 7 days more than your current date. So it is 18th April, so I'm gonna give it 0425. And on the CVV, type the last three codes here, and on the postal code, type 10080, and then press continue. Wait for some time. So after it says check your email, go to your temporary email website, and you will see a new email. It will say activate your 7 days trial free. So click on it, and then head down below and set password and activate account. So I'm gonna click here. So it will tell you to set a password, so I'm gonna set my password. After you are done, press on change password. So it will ask you to download the NordVPN client, so save it. I have already installed it and downloaded it. So for the email, copy your temporary email, and for the password, type the password you set, and then sign in. So as you can see, my NordVPN account is created. So this process might not work for the first time you are trying, so use the second code or the third code if it is not working for you, and keep repeating the process from the start if it doesn't work for you the first time. So thanks for watching guys. If this helps, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and if you want any other softwares for free, just comment down below. I will try to make a video on that too. So see you again next time.